moral of the story, stay ass home. What's good? It's your girl Africa, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing a stripper story time, but it's also a get ready with me night routine while I'm telling y'all the story time. It's gonna be like how I get ready, skin or whatever, brush my teeth, all that good stuff. I'll be doing a stripper story time about the time I went on a stripper trip with my sisters. Like a dumbass. All of us was dumb and young. Well, we still young, but still dumb. Yeah, dumb and young. Dumb and young. Okay, so first I'll be showing you guys the products I will be using, and I'll go into the video. Okay, so I'll be using this. It's like an acne wash. My man put me onto this, and it works really, really good for my skin. I'm using this. I'll be using coconut oil. You can get this at the grocery store. Anywhere, actually. You can get this anywhere. This is virgin coconut oil. I'll be using alcohol. What is this? Yeah, I got 50%. Some I use 90%, but I've been using 50% alcohol. Alcohol is strong. So I'll be using alcohol and witch hazel, which I need to get a new bottle because this is almost gone. So I'm using that. And do not forget the cotton balls. Cute. Okay, so after I do all that, I'll put my hair up or whatever. Okay, so I don't remember how old I was when this happened, but we were like really. I wouldn't say really young because I want to say we was 18. I know my big sister was 18 at the time, and we were all still staying with our people or whatever. But we all stayed pretty close to each other or whatever. We all stayed really close, actually, like really down the street, by a walking distance and all that. So we all stayed pretty close to each other. So I was at my other sister's house, which is two of them that live together. And on my daddy's side over there. So we was all pretty close, like before we didn't really know each other like that. Long story, it's the first one another time. So these was my sisters on my daddy's side or whatever. So my big sister, she came to my sister's house. We were having like a little sleepover, like let's just meet up, link up, and just chill or whatever during the summer. So this is the summertime actually. So my sister was like, y'all around me somewhere? Well, first she got my other sister, her name. Okay, so she got my other sister. I'm just not gonna say all which sister did it. So I'm just not gonna say names. Cause she went out the room with my other sister was talking to my sister. So I'm like, what? These bitches got secrecy? Really? So what do you think? So then they came in and like, you gonna ride with us somewhere? I'm like, sure, we ain't got shit else to do. And then that's when she told me when we got in the car with her. Her mom was like, okay, we'll be back or whatever. Her mom didn't care what we were doing. So she was like, we'll be back or whatever. So we left, we got in the car. When we got in the car, that's when she told us that we was riding with her to a strip club. And I was like, to a strip club? But I'm down with it. So I was like, okay, whatever, let's go. Or whatever. So she was actually going there to like strip or whatever. Everybody knows the story. Who knows it? Like everybody knows the story. So she was just going there to like strip or whatever. So she get everything and we get on the road to go. You know, you gotta pay a certain fee to get in the club. So we on the road trip. We thinking we're like boosting her head up like, bitch, you better go make this money or whatever. Don't come out there with less than a band. Like we're just going in. We're like, if you don't even have $1,000, we just turn the whole car around. When you get back in the car, we're not taking you nowhere else. So we just boosting her head up think she can make some money. So we all getting there having a good time. All our phones like on a certain percentage, so we ain't really care. So we didn't think nothing of it at first, but what was I gonna say? Damn. But we got to the club. First of all, we was in this old ass, like I want to say 1996 BMW. The shit was raggedy. It was raggedy as hell. That was my sister car though. She knew that shit was raggedy. We talk about this shit all the time. Like her car was so raggedy. So we got to the strip club. My thing was cutting off. So we got to the strip club, whatever. It was in the old BMW, as I said, or whatever. So we got to the strip club, and we had to find a parking spot, but we had to park in the back because that's where the strippers park. They parked in the back or whatever. So we park in the back. or whatever, and she getting out, get a bag, you know, we were telling her, you know, go do your thing, girl, you know, boosting up, and so we'll be out here. So she was telling us, you know, just, you know, find something to do or whatever while, you know, she do what she gotta do or whatever she call it. Keep fine, like, okay, remind you, all our phones on a certain amount, and I'm always that friend whose phone is always dead. So my phone always dead, so by this time my phone was like on 2%. Because my phone always dead. So, okay, I'm taking alcohol and I'm gonna get the cotton balls. So, what was that? So she went in there, she was in there for a little while, you know, getting dressed or whatever. Then next, you know, we chilling. We was just finna pull off, like literally just finna pull off though. Just so find somewhere. And then we was in a town where we didn't know none of these people at all. And we kept seeing Confederate flags. I'm like, oh, they don't like black people. Oh. Where we at, sis? So, this shit burn. So, she comes out and we're like, that was quick. You didn't step fast? And then she was like, I forgot my shoe. And looking at her like, you forgot your shoe. Cause we drove like 2 hours to get to this freaking strip club. And you want to tell me you forgot your shoe? And she was like, yeah, like we was like clowning her ass so bad. Like, how you gonna strip with no shoes? And I tell her this all the time, like, you were dumb as hell because who strips with no shoes? So she couldn't go out there with no shoes because it was like a strip club, you had to have shoes or whatever. Like heels, like what strip club have you been in? And the strippers ain't have no heels on. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it was for them. So she had no shoe. So we was cussing her dumb ass out the whole ride or whatever. We didn't even get nowhere yet. So we stopped, but we need some gas. We need to figure out where we were. And then at this moment, like everybody's phone was dead. Literally, everybody's phone was dead. And she had like 10% on her phone. And she was using my other sister. She like, not even a year, like a couple months younger than me. Or whatever, we're the same age. So she was using my other sister's phone for GPS. And we ain't have no radio.
Just a hot ass
radio wasn't
mess.
working. We had no radio. We had a certain amount of money. Cause you know, stripper money, whatever, the stuff they got paid. But she ain't, you know, not having to pay it because she ain't strip. So, at least we had gas. Okay, so we stopped at this, I want to say it was a laundromat. Yeah, it was a laundromat because I had to use the bathroom. And we always going in there and use the bathroom. I'm the friend that always gotta use the bathroom anywhere I go. So, we stopped at this laundromat. And I go in there to use the bathroom. And something say, so I turn my head using the bathroom. I got this ass and all that other stuff. In public, you know, don't sit on a public restroom. So I squat. I got the witch hazel put it on the car. I squat or whatever. And something told me to look over. So I look over. And it's like something like, I forgot exactly what it said, but I know it was like some like racist ass redneck shit on the fucking wall. So when I seen that and it said something about cool clan, how do you say that shit? I gets my shit. I said, bitches, let's go. And they looking at me like, what the hell is wrong with you? So I told them to read that shit on the wall. By the time they read that shit on the wall, I was in the car. Okay? Next thing you know, the rest of my goddamn sisters running out. And you got that one sister that just thinks she made a steal. Like can't nobody hurt her. So she just walking. And we don't know where the fuck we at. And we in a redneck town. They don't like black people. I don't know. So then after that, that was not even the end of it. After that, everybody's phone was dead. And we literally had to use the signs on the side of the road to get home. Like, we was so lost. It took us forever to get home. And that is why I would never go on another road trip with my sister. Unless I got all my stuff together, got my phone charged, everything. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere with her. And she know it. No. Never again. Because tell me who goes to be a stripper, which this was a phase because she said she glad she left her shoe because she didn't want to be a stripper for real. I didn't think she was coming for that lifestyle, but you know, I'm gonna support my sister every step of the way. I just don't like. She said she didn't want to do that after she thought about it or whatever. So I guess everything worked out or whatever. But that was just a hot ass mess. Moral of the story: stay ass home, please.